girl, Selena Crystal, and we're back at this time with another video. So today we're gonna be doing a eyebrow tutorial.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my eyebrow tutorial. Very simple, very easy. Might do some of these parts voiceover just because I will be looking down to have a mirror right here. But I'm gonna set up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It'll be more to come. And yeah, so let's just hop into this video. So first I use the eyebrow pencil. This is from the Beauty Spot though. Literally, what this shit say? Sorry. The $2.99 eyebrow pencil. Color I use is, it's a light brown. That's what I use. But this is not the first thing I start with is the air sponge. I put that on my eyebrows, like, you know, try to like dry them out a little bit, make sure it's not that much oil and stuff in my eyebrows. So that's what we're gonna start with. I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, I just start doing this to really dry out my eyebrows. You know, make sure they're not oily.
No.
And then we're gonna go into brushing them up. So just brush them out. I need to get my eyebrows done. But fun fact, I really don't even get my eyebrows done for real. Like, I really do my own eyebrows. I only pluck like under here and then like I cut them. I've never got my eyebrows waxed or threaded. Ain't that crazy? My whole 21 years of living, I never got my eyebrows done. So yep, I just brush them up like this. Make sure the product is worked through. And then I'm gonna start with lining out my brow shape with the pencil. I was just trying to bring you guys in closer so you can see more of what I'm doing. I will be looking down just to look at the mirror. And I kind of do like, of course, like, what is this called? A facial expression, right? Kind of look surprised. Just so. I know what y'all think, bitch, you about to have some boxes. I promise you I'm not. I would never go outside like that. I never go outside like that, okay? And then I just start filling it in. I like the bottom, like, you know, the end of my eyebrow to be darker than the rest. And I just do this as I'm filling it in. Go back or go this way. What's this? Horizontal or whatever. To get rid of that harsh line a little bit. Go up in the front just so it looks more like hair strokes or whatever. Now yes, y'all, I know it look crazy right now, but when I put that concealer on, baby, you can't tell me nothing. I am probably gonna try, I know I've tried, you know, gel or whatever, the pomades or whatever before when I first started doing makeup, but that was too advanced for me when I first got into makeup, and I just never used it again. I use, what is this? The Maybelline, I think. Yeah, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. Sand Sable. Yeah. Sable.
Stop it. Get some help.
Sand Sable. Whatever. Sand Sable. This one. What I use for concealer. I'm gonna look down. I don't wanna mess up. Yo, I'm not good at multitasking. Like, I can't do this and talk for real. Like, unless I'm like blending out stuff. I have a shaky hand, y'all. If you got a shaky hand, let me know. Cause I got a fucking shaky hand. Oh my gosh! I'm so clumsy. Oh my, that just irritated me. Anyways. We ain't gonna be mad though. We're gonna be glad. It's a nice day in Michigan. You feel me? Listen, if you live in Michigan, you know when you get nice days, you gotta take advantage. Okay, my baby? Like, I do not like the cold. I am not a winter baby. I don't fuck with the cold at all. At all. See, that's why I can't talk and do stuff. About to take my whole eye out. But yeah. Ooh, I swear I be going cross-eyed sometimes. Y'all be going cross-eyed sometimes, like you looking at something too long or you just real focused. I be ended up going cross-eyed. Thought I fucked some shit up. I got a problem with cussing, y'all. I'm trying to be better. But guess what? My stuff ain't monetized yet, so I'm gonna say whatever I want to say. Till my stuff start getting monetized, I'm gonna talk to y'all how I talk to everybody else. Well, not everybody else, but you know, my people, my close people. Y'all see how that's coming along? How that's just like, don't play with her. And I do go back in and I feel some spots in or something like that, or I just sharpen it up. How I really want it to be. And, you know, y'all gonna see some little hairs because I ain't got my eyebrows. I ain't do my eyebrows. I ain't feel like it. So don't come to me like, oh, you can still see that. You can still see that. Girl, I know. And you gon' see it. Because I ain't clean them up for real. I'm not clean my eyebrows. I need to do my eyebrows, y'all. This is not okay. So then I take a fluffy brush just to blend it out. It's a messed up hair on here. I hate when I got messed up hairs on my brush. So I'll just go ahead and blend that down. Cause listen, y'all need to learn to blend, not to everybody, but if y'all don't do this, please do this step, or just get a sponge or something. Use your finger to blend out that concealer if you're using concealer. Blend that out so you don't have like harsh lines. Like, cause don't nobody want no harsh lines, baby. Y'all want harsh lines. Y'all want to see that concealer. Come on now. You gotta do better. Y'all see how clumsy I am? Y'all seeing the real me. Cause baby, I'm clumsy. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I'm so clumsy. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This eyebrow gives me such a hard time because of this part right here. Like, I don't know what's wrong with my eyebrow. Like, I don't know if it's like too much hair going right here or something. So I just do this until I feel like it looks okay. Kind of feeling that spot. So, like, I know it looked crazy right there, but It's gonna get better. I promise y'all. I promise y'all I know how to do it. I know what I'm talking about. Oh, bad eyes, bro. Like my eyes are so juicy. Like I feel like it's just so it's like thick. Thick. I'm that type where I try to make my eyebrows look like twins when they supposed to be sisters. No, I'll be like, y'all need to be twins. So difficult today. Like why? Why today? Like I'm telling y'all literally just the other day. I had such a perfect eyebrow. Both of them was acting right. Should have recorded it that day. So y'all, I got this video, right? And it's like a little old. It's kind of old, okay? Not gonna lie. But so I did this challenge with my friends. It was the spicy noodle challenge, and one of us had to jump in the pool with all our clothes on because we lost the bet or whatever. So do y'all want to still see that, even though it's kind of old? Like, I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty old. I just haven't posted it. Do y'all want to see that? This bitch look big. There we go, y'all. And that is my eyebrow tutorial. Actually, I'm not done. I do go back over and a little bit of the air spun. I don't know. And I go through, I kind of just set my eyebrows. Literally, take some, pat. That needs a little more. 'Cause you know